friend Julius. Looking forward to listening to DJ Tommy on 89.5 FM radio, Subic Bay. If you're not listening, you're stupid. But not as stupid as a fat, dumb American.
R-O-C-K
89.5
rocks.
89.5 My Subic Bay rocks. I need a caller 252-8905. Giving away Jest Camp, GC's Jest Camp, that is. All right? Jest stands for, well, JEST first, Jungle Environmental Survival Training. All right? How awesome is that? Get to experience Jest Camp here at Subic. Win the GCs. We have somebody calling. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello, DJ.
Hello. Ooh, I like the way you answered. Hello. Paragoy. Yeah, what's your name, dude? What's your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard. Can I get your full name?
Richard Tabangin.
Richard Tabangin. The name sounds family. Sounds familiar pala. Where are you from, pare? Where are you from?
Siyempre, nasa SBMA tayo. SBMA, right?
Oo. Pero taga saan ka? Where are you from?
Sa New Cabalan.
New Cabalan. Alright. Kamusta naman sa New Cabalan, pare Koy?
Nandun pa rin yung kalapati, nakadikit pa rin.
Yung may malaking yung kulay puti?
Oo, yung kalapati mababang lipad.
Yari.
Kulay puti.
Buti pinaliwanag mo, no? Akala ko noon pa kasi akala ko sabungan yan eh. Hindi pala, ano? Okay, Richard is gonna join the radio contest. Am I right, pare Koy?
Yes.
First, before I give you the GC, before I give you, I make you the winner, I declare you the winner, you need to answer a couple of questions. Madali lang naman about the National Tourism Week celebration. All right?
Couple, di ba isa lang?
Ha?
Di ba ba't couple? Di ba isa lang?
Anong isa lang?
Sabi mo couple of questions eh.
Couple of questions. Yung ba sinabi ko? Actually, mali. Hindi pala couple of questions. Oo, 3 questions. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Question number 1. Give me the exact distance from Subic Bay 89.5 going to Malawaan Park in kilometers.
1.2 kilometers.
Biro lang. Hindi yun. Ito talaga yung question, pare Koy. Give me the duration date of the National Tourism Week celebration.
Week-long celebration?
Yeah, yung duration date, yung buong week na yun. From September what?
Ayun. Sorry.
From September. Ang National Tourism Week celebration ay from September.
Isang buo. Lalo mo na
Kumukuha ng
21 to 25.
Kinulang, pare. Baka pwede mong dagdagan ng konti.
21 to 26.
Isa pa, pare. Isa pa.
21 to 27.
Yeah, congratulations. You got it right. You got it right. Question number 1 pa lang yun.
Wala mo madali.
Ito yung question number 2, pare. Madali lang naman eh. Question number 2, di ba may gaganapin tayong street party?
Yun.
Oo. Sa Friday, di ba?
Yes.
Sa Friday. Saan gaganapin yan? Yun yung question number 2.
Malawaan Park.
Malawaan Park. You got it right! Congratulations! Okay, last na, pare ko. Isa na lang. Naalala mo si King Louis VIII? Naalala mo?
Hindi ko siya kilala.
Si King Louis VIII, pare. Tagal na eh. Medieval times ba yun? Hindi yun. Ito talaga yung third question. Bigay ka lang ng isang pangalan ng banda or grupo na magpe-perform sa street party, pare Koy. Asha! Yes, you got it right! Congratulations, pare Koy! You're the winner! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Daming tao dyan, ha? Oh, yeah. You're the winner of the Jest Camp gift certificate, pare Koy. 1 gift certificate is good for 2 persons, ha?
Wow, yeah.
Alright. And yung claiming ng gift certificate doon sa Malawaan Park.
Ganun.
Oo. Look for our SBMA tourism brothers and sisters. Sa kanila kukunin, ha?
Okay, sige.
Doon sa Malawaan Park.
Hindi ba sa'yo?
Hindi po sa akin eh. Sa taga-tourism. Yan.
Bakit doon sa pinupuntahan ka lang dyan?
Sa National Tourism Week talagang sa tourism. Oh, since day one.
Okay.
Parang-
Nagpaliwanag sa presinto.
Pare, parang duda ka, ha? Feeling mo pinahirapan kita, ha? Hindi, ganun. I was just following orders. Parang may mga gusto ka batiin dyan? Wag mo pala batiin. Greet mo na lang. Mahirap na eh. Greet mo na lang. Greet.
Gine-greet namin ang mga gwapong ang gwapo naming mga ka-office mates, si Igan Fonseca at si Brother Jaime Menor at si Mang Pax.
Ay, oo. Mga gwapo nga yan, pare. Pamilyar eh. Oo.
Hindi ba sounds familiar na?
Oo. Parang si Richard din. Alam ko, gwapo rin yan eh. Okay, pare ko, congratulations to you ha. Wala ka na idadagdag? Wala ka ba ipopromote na na concert o kaya album na parating? Wala ba?
Sa 25, punta ka, birthday ko. Sino naman tayo doon sa Malawaan Park?
Si pare, baka gusto mong batiin si Mahal, alam mo na.
Happy birthday to me, saka sa aking minamahal na si Pe.
Yung isa pa, yung isang Mahal.
Wala na yun, isa lang yun. Papahamak tayo, pare ko eh.
Okay, pare ko, congratulations to you. And thank you for calling.
Okay, thank you.
All right, there you go, people. Our first winner of the Just Camp GC for today. Masayang usapan yun, ha? Kakaiba. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-okrayan ng ganun. And, oh yeah, by the way, happy birthday sa'yo. All right, paring Richard, okay? Yung caller kanina. And also, we would like to greet, of course, Miss Army Llamas of the SBMA Public Relations Department, the PRD manager actually. All right? Madam Army Llamas, happy birthday to you. And speaking of birthday greetings, meron pa. I promise to greet dito sa radio program din natin. Pinangako ko to kaya kailangan hindi mapako. Alright? Happy birthday to Papa Ray Racela. Ayan. Your family is wishing you good health and always, I mean, and God bless. Sabi ng buong pamilya mo, hindi ako ha. Pero kasama na rin ako, pwede na rin. Sabi po namin, we love you. Yan. Alright, so again, Papa Ray Racela, happy birthday sa iyo. Okay? And greetings especially coming from the entire Racela family, especially from Robin, Cynthia, Rain, Ria, and Ram. Ayan. Happy birthday po, Papa Ray Racela. Alam ko medyo late na to kasi ang birthday niya talaga nung nakaraang Saturday, kaya lang hindi natuloy yung band namin for Tunog Lokal, kaya hindi kami nakapagprograma. So, happy birthday, Papa Ray. Huli man daw at magaling, belated happy birthday pa rin. Okay, so there you go. We're not done yet giving away Just Camp GCs. Mamaya meron pa, marami pa. Alright? Marami tayong ipamimigay. Courtesy, of course, of our sponsors. Our sponsor for the gift certificate giveaway today is the Just Camp Subic. Just stands for Jungle Environmental Survival Training. Alright? So it will be, a really awesome experience for you. Everybody, you guys simply must try Just Camp. Okay? So we will pause for a short break. We will be back with more. We will be playing your requested songs. Songs you want to hear right now, text me up 0909-263-0840. Once again, 0909-263-0840. Bottom of the hour break. We will be right back. Stick around.
SBMA
Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority joins